This is a Dollar General brand padlock that I bought from Dollar General for $1.25. Unlike brands like Masterlock, this isn't marked up by $12 while boasting about its high security. The sparkly gold finish on the outside feels like plastic, and the included keys are the smallest object in the world. Thoughtfully, they decided to leave the keys permanently attached to the lock shackle. Nothing a little force can't fix. Luckily, the lock is functional and incredibly oily. I shall now attempt to pick the Dollar General brand padlock. I have now picked the Dollar General brand padlock. This lock boasts absolutely no security, but at least you get what you pay for.